Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's current affairs. Indian governance and environmental updates. Ministry of Home Affairs assures southern states over delimitation will be considered. Union Home Minister reiterated to inclusively stakeholder consultation. Census will be completed by March 1, 2027. Delayed due to previous census delayed due to COVID-19. Understanding delimitation. It will set the boundary, seat allocation will be done, reservation of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes will be declared. Delimitation means processing of fixing the number of seats. The delimitation process is performed by Delimitation Commission that is set up under an Act of Parliament. Delimitation have been set up 4 times in 1952, 1963, 73 and 2002. Constitutional provision for delimitation, Article 82 and Article 170. The Parliament enacts the Delimitation Act after every census is given under Article 82. States to get divided into territorial constituency as per delimitation after every census is given under Article 170. Tamil Nadu government notifies Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi. Comes under GS paper 3, Environment and Biodiversity Conservation. The Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi has 524 hectares. We have 10,700 plus wetland birds. 128 species has been declared. Tamil Nadu declared Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi, Ramanathapuram district. The sanctuary is part of Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve and was declared on Environment Day, June 5. Dhanushkodi Sanctuary's ecosystem. It has mangroves. Key species were Avicennia and Rhizopora. Marshes, wetland areas supporting diverse flora. Critical for water filtration and flood control. Mudflats. Rich feeding ground for wading birds. Support diverse invertebrate communities. Sand dunes, natural barrier, act as natural barriers against coastal erosion. Benefits of sanctuary status for Dhanushkodi. Strengthen the wetland conservation, prevent habitat degradation, promote sustainable ecotourism, a local employment may be generated. It is in the Central Asian flyway, breeding ground for Siberian North Asia, migratory route through the Central Asia and Himalayas, bird wintering ground, Indian subcontinent including Dhanushkodi. Election Commission upgrades the system to create index cards for analyzing data. It comes under GS paper 2, Polity and Governance, Electoral Reforms. Data collection, analysis and report generation will be seen. Understanding the index card. It is a non-statutory statistical reporting format. Constituency level data tool. Multi-dimensional data analysis will be here. Basis for statistical reports. Helps to produce 35 statistical reports for Lok Sabha and 14 for State Assembly election. Data covered in index card. Electoral demographics, voter turnout, party performance, polling station details and candidate analysis is indexed. Benefit of upgrading index card system. Data entry, manual process will be overcome, processing time will be reduced, error rate higher than human error will be overcome. Integration. Taking stock of COVID-19 vaccines. India has seen a mild rise in COVID-19 cases driven by Omicron subvariant like LF1 and NB1.81. Indian Council of Medical Research and Doctor advised against a mass vaccination drive at present. Over 220 crore doses were administered since January 2021, but current vaccine stocks have expired. Current COVID-19 situation in India. Mild infections can be seen, hybrid immunity is developed, production readiness has been seen. COVID-19 vaccination recommendation. WHO guidance. WHO Indian doctors recommended targeted vaccination only for elders. State government approach. State government awaits more epidemiology and data before recommendation booster policies. National preparedness. India remains prepared to ramp up production if serious wave or mutation necessitate massive vaccination. Please try out this mock question. Thank you.